Ensure that the back support sits neither too high nor too low on the shoulders. The ideal height should encompass the curve of the shoulder. You can adjust the height of the back support up or down to achieve the optimal position. For optimal use of the apogee, ensure that the vest fits snugly against your upper body. To achieve this, zip up the vest and make sure it sits approximately 3 finger widths below your neck. Now, tighten the Velcro straps around your ribs as much as possible to prevent it from sliding upwards later on. Then, tighten the straps on the shoulders. Ideally, there should be some room between the end of the vest and the back support for tightening if necessary. Ensure that the vest is completely closed and the Velcro strap is centered. If the Velcro strap adheres only a hand's width or less on the vest, or if the vest cannot be tightened enough, consider trying a different size. When it comes to the leg attachments, there are 4 things to pay special attention to. The leg pads should sit centrally on the front of the thigh. The upper bar of the leg attachment should be vertical. The joint of the leg attachment should be at the height of the top edge of the leg pad. The clothing under the leg pad should be smoothed down and free of wrinkles. Close the buckle of the belt. Lift the device up to just below the ribs. Lean forward to prevent the belt from slipping while tightening. Tighten the belt loops with both hands. Ensure that the buckle sits centrally on your stomach. When you straighten up, you can slide the belt onto your pelvis. Ideally, the belt should encompass the pelvis. If the belt can be rattled slightly up or down, it needs to be tightened to allow the device to provide support and protect the back optimally. If the belt still feels uncomfortable, there is an option to raise the belt slightly higher. Note, this adjustment may require a different height setting for the back support. If the battery runs out while you're working, you'll be alerted by a warning sound and a screen prompt. You don't need to turn off the device, take it off, and replace the battery. With the hot swap function, you can either reach behind and change the battery yourself or ask a colleague for help.